Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through how to download Real Boxing 2 on your iPhone. So here's how you can do it. First, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet, and once you are, open up your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Real Boxing 2 and search. You'll be able to find the application in the search result. Tap the Get button and start the download process. Now the file is a bit large, so you'll need to wait for a couple of minutes. Wait until the application is downloaded and you should be able to play the game right away on your iPhone or your iPad. Once the application has been downloaded, tap the open button to open the game. And that is how you can easily download Real Boxing 2 on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.